Hello, welcome. In this video, I will be unboxing and giving you my first impression of my new skincare device, MimiSilk Iris 1450 nanometers Advanced Skin Renewing Device. If you are looking for a smoother, clearer, more youthful looking skin without complicated invasive treatments or clinic visits, this device might surprise you. I am 49 years old and I like to try at home solutions for my aging skin, especially things that are less invasive and things that I can do myself without leaving home. The MimiSilk Iris is an at-home skin renewal device created to support mature skin by working below the surface where aging actually begins. The 1450 nanometers technology refers to a specific light wavelength that targets deeper skin layers. For aging skin, this is very important because it helps to refine overall skin texture. Here we have the charging cable. Ooh, the little portable bag. It supports deep collagen regeneration to visibly soften fine lines, improve elasticity, and lighten dark spots. The user manual. As with any other at-home treatment device, follow the user's manual instructions and read the contraindication and suggestions. I invite you to check out their website for more information and questions. I cannot go into the technology, science, and medical part of this device. However, you can learn more about it in their website. I will leave the link down below in the description section of this video. This device is ideal for mature skin and suitable for all skin types. Something I personally like about this device is that it has 5 preset scanning programs to choose from. It has the forehead, periorbital, cheeks, upper lips, and chin. Plus, it has 3 energy levels: gentle, comfortable, and high. Depending on the treated area, it also has a duration time set in seconds. For example, the upper lips in gentle mode will last 15 seconds. The device will emit 2 beeps when concluding the current program, so you can go to the next section. I will be using the gentle mode for a few weeks before moving to the comfortable or medium mode. Here we have the warranty card, and here we have the cleaning cloth. Ooh, I like that it comes with a cleaning cloth. The use of sun protection is recommended to avoid pigmentation caused by exposure or sunbathing in daytime. They recommend the use of SPF 30 plus PA+++ or above. It is also recommended to use the device in the evening to avoid affecting our social life. Usually, if any redness and discomfort occur, it will disappear overnight. It's always recommended to charge the device with the original cable included in the kit. I usually charge my new devices prior the first use, even though some of them are already charged. As with any other facial treatment, it's recommended to clean your face thoroughly and pat it dry to ensure the skin is completely clean and dry and free of loose hair. To begin the treatment, we need to press the power button to turn on the device like I am showing you here. The default factory setting of the device is in gentle level for safety. Then we select the area to be treated like I am showing you here. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. After selecting the energy level and the area to be treated first, we can begin scanning the area in horizontal and vertical movements. This is something I still need to learn. They recommend to use the device once every other day for a period of 8 weeks with a resting period of 4 weeks. And to cool the skin or redness reduction, they recommend to use a simple ingredient facial mask followed by your normal skincare products. Here we have the laser emitting window or scanning window. Here we have the air inlet. Here we have the charging port, the air outlet. Here we have the power and level of intensity button. And here we have the area of selection button. Yes, and to turn it off is down here. Okay, I have to learn how to use it. This is the first time. This is just the first impression. And so far, I like the first impression. Now I'm going to start using it and I'm going to start the treatment. I'm going to leave you the link of this device down in the description section of this video so you can explore more about it and see if it's something that might interest you or something, or if it's something that you might need in your beauty routine. That's it for this video. I will see you next time. I really like this bag, and I like it because I can bring the charger in there and the menu. Bye. But I'm going to do an ice cube. For now, I'm gonna go to my bathroom to get my mask. My refreshing mask are in my bathroom, and I'm doing this in the office. So I'm gonna finish the ice cube to cool down my skin, and then I'm gonna go and apply a mask. Yes, it feels like needles, micro needles pinching the skin, and yeah, it doesn't hurt that much. It doesn't hurt that much.